So it is July 23rd, 2021, and we are going to go on a hike to a place called Water Canyon, just north of Hilldale, Utah, about an hour's drive away. Kind of a slot canyon, similar to, I say similar a lot to what you have in Zion's. So pretty exciting. We're excited to go, and we'll check in a little bit later. All right, you found the waterfall. Turn around. Time to go.
Are these slot canyons?
Oh, the slot's up further. A beetle. Got a patch of blackberries here. Eating a couple. Pretty tart. They don't make us sick. I don't think they will. We seem to have gotten stuck eating.
That's good.
This is like the straight and narrow path, temptations stopping us from reaching our goal.
Yum yum.
Is that good? All right, let's go.
Spicy.
Spicy.
No, not spicy.
Sour.
Yeah, sour.
Okay, we're getting to where I think around the corner we'll be getting close to the spot. It's cool. Got a little overhang here. A little spring coming out. It's kind of cool. All right, we're getting into the shade. Yeah? Cool. It's like a swamp cooler. Oh yeah, I can feel it right here. Oh, that feels really good. All right, we're getting to a pretty awesome part of the trail.
should.
You glad you stayed strong and climbed the mountain?
Yes, we should clean our family.
We got most of our family here.
What?
We got most of our family here.
What about the rest of our family? They might
Yeah.
not come. Yeah.
Like Mommy and Faye.
Yeah, someday we.
See, Nathan? Pretty cool. All right, Nathan, do your dance. Sure. Here, I can see if I can get some music on this one. All right. So we've climbed up out on the trail out of the canyon a bit, and we're probably at the spot we're going to turn around. We've just been coming up here to see if we think the goats can make it up this trail or not. We're thinking probably. There's a couple of spots where it's a maybe, but pretty dang awesome up here.
That's what I want to do. I keep going.
You want to keep going?
Yeah. Yeah.
What about when we took the wrong trail and almost fell off the cliff?
Not that trail, but this trail.
You don't want to go on that trail again?
Yes.
Okay, we're going just to see what's around the corner, and then we'll probably be heading back.
Okay, yeah, for 1 hour. They're going to wait for 1 hour.
Not 1 hour. Okay, we've just returned, and we're in the car with the AC cranked, waiting for this thing to cool down. It says it's 96 degrees outside. What's the report, guys?
It's hot. Hot out there.
Hot? Tired?
Lunchtime.
Dirty.
Lunchtime? Was it worth it?
Yes,
I
it
can
was.
wait past lunchtime.
Would you do it again?
Yes.
Think we should take the goats here?
Yes.
All right.